Good morning. This is Victor Jimenez with Sewer Line Check Professionals. We are at 2210 East Woodland Road in Pasadena, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line for Justin and Ashley Brinsfield. The main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping which is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping which is underneath or interior to the structure. Today's video examination is not focused on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up at our office. Alright, so I've accessed today's main sewer line from a 2.5-inch maintenance access located on the back left corner of the structure. Pushed through about 15 feet of building drain system before the line exits the structure. The line exits the structure at the back left corner of the house and runs parallel to the left side of the house along the driveway. When it reaches the front left corner, it makes a diagonal path towards a cleanout located in the front yard about 5 to 7 feet away from the sidewalk. That main sewer line cleanout in the front yard is covered up with a cement cap, a plastic cap then covered by another cement cap. So what we've done today is we've pushed out to this cleanout here. We're going to go ahead and shoot the video from this cleanout back to the access point we used today. Then we're going to go ahead and reset our camera and equipment out to the cleanout in the front yard and push from there out to public sewer. So this video today will be done in 2 parts. Now, the material that we're in today, from the cleanout up in the front yard all the way to this access point we use in the back, is an ABS plastic piping. So ABS plastic is an excellent material for main sewer lines. It has a long surface life. It also has a very smooth inner surface, so it's very efficient at washing out debris. And lastly, it also is intended to be impervious to root intrusions when installed properly. Now, I didn't see any root intrusions in this line. There was one point of concern, which we'll be coming up to here in a minute, and that's basically just the proper sloping for the line. And I'm going to be coming into this section here. But besides the slight sloping issue, I didn't really see anything wrong with this section of the ABS. Didn't see any breaks, didn't see any cracks, didn't see any root intrusions coming in. So all that's a good sign. Now the camera, the linear footage counter, accidentally reset in the middle of pushing out to this point. So the total length of the line will be from this point. From the beginning of the video, using some addition or whatever the negative counter shows. Show where it exits the system. Okay. Right around here is where basically we run into the start of the issue with the sloping. Now, essentially what's going on right here, and I've marked this out with a marker, pink marker flag in the driveway, is that the pipe is incorrectly sloped at this point. So what's occurring is that basically standing water is building up here. I ran some water in the structure. I also ran a hose here at the back, and the water was flushing out. So it doesn't appear that there's any kind of blockage in this section. And being a ABS plastic pipe, there's not as much of a concern as buildup occurring here. But it is an issue of there's going to be constant water sitting in here until that sloping issue is corrected. As you can see here, the sloping issue is, more than 10 feet long. And you can see it here, where the water is pretty much at a consistently halfway point. Probably about 1/3 full. The section we were in earlier was about half. So you can see the water is flowing, but it's just not draining properly. With enough pressure, the water and the debris end up floating out of there, but it's not enough to essentially correct the issue in total. Alright, we're essentially still running down side of the driveway here. I ran a little bit of hot water in the house. A little bit of steam buildup. Okay. Alright, so right at that point here, we're now going to be turning back under the structure. So this next section we're going to be going into is the building drain system. So again, not the focus, but it is still an ABS plastic pipe, which is in pretty good shape. We're just coming up out of this. Here, and then we're going to be pulling out. Alright. Okay, as we came out of this, I'm just going to go ahead and button this section back up. You can see where our access point was today. Alright, so this is our access point. So we're now going to go ahead and reset out to that clean out in the front and shoot the next video.